It was like all this stress just pushed us together. I don't know how else to say it. The worst thing I could have done, and I did it at the worst possible moment, and I just let it happen. I blamed it on the rain. Everything was so gray and oppressive. Connie was the only daylight I'd seen in weeks, I swear. I called everywhere looking for Denny. No luck. There was nothing more that we could do at Masonic. One signature was enough to okay the procedure on Stewie, and after that it was limbo again, just waiting, more waiting, till the anesthesia wore off. So this nurse comes out after a while. She says, we won't know anything until morning. You might as well go home and get some rest, Mr. and Mrs. Lombardo. Neither Connie or I corrected her. We just walked out of the hospital, hand in hand. Noel asleep on my shoulder. When we got Noel to sleep at night, we kissed